according to me, we should eat pure veg objects like pulses, rice, green veggies. It's good for our health.
But I think we should also eat non-veg, because by the non-veg we will get protein, fiber, and so
We
many
can also
things.
get protein like by the ghee, milk, and many more objects. Like we can also eat butter, and the milk is the biggest thing that which provides everything like carbohydrate, protein, fats, minerals, everything to us. So why we need to eat non-veg? Whenever we can we can make our whole diet by eating the green veggies.
So what about the gym trainers? Why do they always used to prefer say to this thing that you should have to eat something like chicken, eggs?
It's just their show off. Do you know? I don't obey the gym trainers or the gym persons who eat the non-veg, because in our Sanatan Dharma there is written that if you are killing someone and eating is like a body, it's a biggest sign for you. It's a biggest sin for you. We said it's pap. And the karma, whenever you are doing something bad with them, and do you know the biggest reason that we should not eat non-veg? Because in these days, in this era, the hens are injected from the syringes of getting big. It's also a big problem. So if they are like not vaccinated and we are eating them, so we can also have some bad infections, bad diseases in our body.
So as you said that we don't have to eat.
Yes.
So what about the animals who lives in forest? So what at that situation, animal also used to eat another animal, and that's thing we are also doing this thing. If you know, if one day for the one day and if we will this situation will come in our life that veg and all the sources are not left, but the small species like animals like hen, these sort. So at that situation, what will you do? Will you not eat?
Okay, as you said, as you took your thing on the animal. So are you animal? As you are saying, like, or are we animal? I'm not just making a personal thing to you. Are we animal that we should eat the other organisms? It's not a thing. And firstly, as you said, whenever the whole veggies will be over, so there the production of such things. Whenever you will not get water, you will not be able to make electricity. You will not be able to make gas. Whenever you will not have gas, and in this era. Maybe not in this. In the upcoming eras, in the upcoming generations, there would be not any natural source. So how would you make also a fire in like a small, like you are making a fire on the woods? So whenever there is not the natural source, so how would you tell me?
You talk about that. I was not talking about the water fire. I was talking about the food, not that thing which you consider that thing.
Like how is
I
it
was just
possible
talking about
whenever
that
there is
thing.
water?
I'm
So
just
veggies are
giving
not
a
growing up.
situation. If you are in a situation, so at the situation, what will you do? How will you survive?
I would
You
like
don't
to
have-
die. I would like to die, but not break the
But
Sanatan
you,
Dharma.
na, only
I am
you.
a pure Hindu.
But
Okay, I am a
everyone is
pure
not.
Hindu.
Yeah.
Yes, I am a pure
Now you
Hindu.
are coming in religion, but we are talking about.
So whenever our religion says that, so what's the problem to follow that?
You know what? Whenever we don't have food, so at that situation, any type of religion, this type of thing will not come in our mind. Whenever you are hungry, you know, if you whenever you will be hungry, you will be say that to your mom, I want food. At the situation, if your mother will make something like which you don't like that meal, at a situation just because of a hunger, you will eat that thing, just because to fulfill your hunger.
Okay, so what would I eat? Like what she would make, what she would cook to eat. Do you know in our family no one eats the non-veg? So what would she cook? The bitter gourd I will eat, because it's also a veg thing. It makes blood in our body. It's also good. But I would die, but not eat the chicken. Non-veg. I'm just.
You are just taking this thing. It's your mindset, but I'm talking about the other people perspective. It's not about only you. At this situation,
now I tell you.
everybody will not think about you that I'm from Hindu, I'm Sanatani person, I can't do this thing. Because nowadays you are also seeing the humanity, how the humanities is going nowadays. Nowadays you can see that how many people are killing each other, how many people are doing so many crime in our society.
So
I
we
think
should
that
just
the
we should
situation,
improve that. We
no
should
one will not
improve
think
the
about this.
society. We should improve the society. If you know, whenever you will not have change in yourself, how will you be able to change the society? demon comes and take one person from your family. I'm just suppose. So would you like good? It's the separation of your family. You will have a big sign to break someone's family, break someone's heart. Okay, it's not a good thing for you and also that one mammal's family.
So what about that person who's consuming this type of non-veg from the childhood? What about that person? If that person is consuming from the childhood, if the parents are they are giving them, if parents know this thing that this is not, so why the parents are giving this? They should
Let him eat. Let him eat. I don't take any action on him that why are you eating? Let him eat. He has sit upside to do the decisions. Okay, he has sit upside. He will watch your karmas, what you are doing or what not. Okay.
So at that situation, you are talking about that karma in this all the things.
Yes,
so
yes.
At that situation, that parents are not saying no to their children. So how can we say this thing that non-veg are not good?
Okay.
We don't have
The whole week, whole day, will you eat non-veg? Or like whole year, will you eat non-veg?
not whole day, but
So
sometimes.
that's-
But sometime I will
You can eat every time. Any whole the year, whole the you have come here, you have grown like this. So how much times have you eat non-veg? Tell me.
so many times.
So many
I
times.
used to eat
So you used
once
to
in
eat.
a week.
Now if I say you something that eat the non-veg for a year, will you be able to eat?
Yeah,
Do
of
not
course. Because I'm consuming it from my childhood. It's not the big deal for me.
It's not a big deal for you, but
Yes.
for the what I say that for the population of the organisms, mammals, we should also just watch someone's emotions. Breaking someone's emotions, you should not kill someone for your own happiness and for your own emotions. Okay, it's a very bad thing. If now what I should say, you can put your point.
So you're talking about the emotion, feeling. Nowadays, the people are not getting too much emotion. People are not connectly with them. So how can we say this thing that emotion and feelings with
Okay,
animals?
now I come seriously.
Nowadays,
that
people
now
are
I
doing all
say.
the bad things. Nowadays, I don't have any humanity for you. You don't have any humanity for me. So for the animals, so how can I take any type of humanity?
Okay, give me an example. Then
If I will give you an example, I'm just telling you this thing that nowadays people don't have any type of humanity. If the someone is killing that person, so no one will not come to help that person. Everyone will say this thing that why do I involve in this situation? So in this time, so I'm talking about the non-veg. In non-veg, so if the person is getting protein, if the person is getting so much good quality, so why the person should should stop to eat non-veg?
now I say you think.
You're just talking about the bad side. If the you also know that the things in which